This video is going to be a short one. I'm hoping that it is, because when I start talking I don't get to know when to stop and how to stop, so I'm hoping that it's a short one. But there is just a little update which I had to give you guys about the under 17 and under 20 new coach for women's team, and we need to know about this यार, क्योंकि अगर वहाँ पे टैलेंट अच्छा होगा तो टैलेंट वो जाएगा सीनियर नेशनल विमेन टीम में, जहाँ पे जाके वो आगे बहुत बढ़िया करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट टू हैपन द यंग गर्ल्स हैव टू बी रियली गुड, एंड फॉर देम देयर इज़ अ न्यू कोच in town from Sweden, जिनके बारे में अभी हम बात करेंगे. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video right now. नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope well and good. You know what? That is the most important thing that matters. So Joachim Alexanderson is going to be the new manager for under 17 and under 20 women's team. So the new coach is 48 years old. I don't know how that information is going to benefit you or me, but I just had to tell you. So he used to play football as well in his younger years, and he was a defender and used to play a lot for IF Elfsborg. He's also captained the team and won many trophies with them. But what we actually want to know is that has he managed young boys and girls team earlier or not? The answer is yes. He has managed under 17, under 16, under 15, under 14 boys and girls team, in which he has won many youth league titles with them. So it's a good news that if an experienced coach like him would come and manage the young girls, I hope that it turns out to be something really good. The girls learn something, and he has many different techniques and ideas for the team. Let's see what happens in that. By the way, this is not the first time that India is being managed by a Swedish coach when it comes to under 17 women's side team, because you remember the previous coach we had for the senior national women football team, that was Thomas Denarpi. He was also a Swedish coach, and now this one is also a Swedish coach. You might think that what is happening? Are they really liking India that much, or do we have some kind of deal? The latter is true. So AIF has a deal with Swedish FA on a collaborative effort of such sorts, in which they are going to come here and teach our young boys and girls, about football and everything they can, in a way to train them. And that is what is going to happen here. Mr. Alexanderson is going to get 2 months of national camp starting from December 10th, और उसके बाद 2 मैचेस खेले जाएंगे against Maldives on December 30th and Jan 2nd. अब अगर हम एक विजन का बात करें कि AIFF चाहता क्या है अंडर 17 अंडर 20 टीम्स के साथ, तो उनका मेन प्लान इज दैट दे आर गोना गिव देम 7 to 8 months ऑफ कैंप्स ऑफ ट्रेनिंग सेशंस विद द कोच, सो दैट दे गेट बेटर, और उसके बाद 10 to 12 कुछ एक्सपोजर मैचेस होंगे फॉर द विमेंस टीम. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, बिकॉज फुटबॉल इज एक्चुअली लर्नड व्हेन यू आर training. When there are camps, you get to know, you get to learn better, you get to improve your game. But when it comes to just playing matches, I think that will just give you exposure like they are giving. But अच्छा जो टेक्निक सीखना है वो इन कैंप से ही आएगा. मिस्टर एलेक्जेंडरसन के साथ इंडिया का 2 साल का लंबा प्लान है, जब तक 2026 एशियन गेम्स ना हो जाए एंड 2026 में AFC एशियन कप गेम्स होंगे, तो तब तक वी विल सी दिस कोच एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट ही डज विद इंडियन टीम. नाउ अलॉन्ग विद दिस न्यू कोच देयर आर गोइंग टू बी 4 ऑफ आवर विमेन कोचेस, और उनके साथ 2 गोलकीपर कोचेस भी रहेंगे टू ट्रेन द गर्ल्स वेल. आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द विमेन टीम, एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट दे डू. आई होप दे लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम द न्यू कोच एंड the training that they're going to get for so long, because the training really helps improve your game. Let's see what happens, and I'm hoping that this new coach brings us more luck and skills so that we go ahead and compete in competitions and be better in it, because how India performed in SAF Women's Cup, जो कि हमारा forte होता था. Our national women team lost in back to back. We have been losing in that competition as well. So let's see what we do, because there has to be a lot of improvement, and it has to be very soon, because otherwise जो AIFF का vision है 2047 वाला, वो नहीं होने वाला भाई. तो वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए जो एक ग्राउंड सेट करना है वो बहुत तगड़ा होना चाहिए, and maybe that is what is happening, but we're yet to see what this coach does. Okay, so that is the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.